In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in Canva. If you've ever needed to clean up a design by getting rid of text, there are two common scenarios. Removing a text box you added yourself and removing text that's baked into an image. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly what to do and why. First, let's talk about deleting a text box. Open your design in Canva, then click directly on the text you want to remove. You'll see a floating menu appear nearby, which means the text box is selected. From here, you have two quick options. You can press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard, which removes that text box immediately. Or, if you prefer using on-screen controls, click the trash bin icon in the floating menu. That's it. If you accidentally delete the wrong thing, no worries, just undo and try again. A helpful tip here is to make sure you've selected the exact text box you intend to remove, especially if you are working with multiple overlapping elements. Look for the selection outline around the text before you delete. Now, if the text is part of an image you imported like a logo, a photo with a watermark, or text flattened into a graphic, you'll use Canva's Magic Eraser, which is available with Canva Pro. Start by selecting the image that contains the text. At the top toolbar, click Edit Photo to open your editing options. Choose Magic Eraser. You'll then brush over the text you want to remove. Be as precise as you can and stay within the edges of the text so you don't accidentally erase parts of the background you want to keep. When you are ready, click Erase and give it a moment. Canva's AI will analyze the area you brushed and fill in the background to match the surrounding content. Results can vary depending on the background. Simple. Solid backgrounds usually clean up beautifully, while busy textures or patterns may need a careful pass to look seamless. If you notice small artifacts after erasing, try brushing only the remaining bits of text area and erasing again. Focusing on clean coverage. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.